Hi, welcome to Rajil Lab. In this today's video, we are going to discuss about how EDA works. As we all know, whenever we are working on healthcare environment, whatever the transactions we do, either it could be a procedure, it could be diagnosis, or it could be treatment, or it could be the claims related stuff, everything. Everything happens through an encrypted format, which is called EDI. Each EDI full form stands for electronic data interchanges. So through this EDI, usually this is a transaction where whatever the activities or the transactions happens between the provider to payer, because provider nothing but a healthcare provider who has given treatment for the patient. Either it could be hospital, it could be clinic, etc. Right. So these people considered and called as providers. And the other person is payer. Payer nothing but insurance company, or else it could be Medicare and Medicaid services, CMS, right? So whoever is paying against to the claim request what they have received and all. So whatever the transaction happen between the provider to payer, majorly this EDA transactions and all everything works, because there will be some medical coding and billing people who usually do the coding for each and every case, because whenever there is an treatment was done for a patient, so they usually prepare a form where they have to mention all the information regarding the kind of treatment what they have given, the kind of transaction followed by the cost, right? So everything will be mentioned. So whenever they were mentioning, this is all something in an encrypted format, because earlier everything will be on paper claims, paper format. So there is a possibility that the health information may go outside. So in order to reduce this complexity as well as the risk, under the guidelines of HIPAA, because HIPAA is a guideline which was using widely in healthcare industries by us now, called Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. In this act, major job is to, whatever the transaction we do, everything will be in encrypted format. So not in the format of, because that information won't be written directly. So that will be written in a form of transaction code. It's like EDA transaction code, something like 835, 832, etc. Right? So this is how generally the codes and all that. So this is what generally a high level understanding about healthcare in connect to the EDI. So if you can see here, this is what generally and how generally EDI works. You can see over here, right? So this is what generally in EDI works, where the first thing is about the business, means whatever the purchase order, right? So whatever the inventory, so whatever the systems do we have and all, everything will be there in the business. Either it could be a healthcare provider, I can say. From there will be some EDI transaction codes and all, everything will be there. So wherein we have to mention the transformation of the messages and all, everything happens through this by understanding the business compliances, all that. Because what are the business compliances, standards, policies, and procedures to be followed, everything will be comes under this part of EDI. From there, this will be translated into an EDI document format where whatever the information we were sending. So usually all this will be in encrypted format. Usually this will be sent. And this information will be received to the trading partner. So trading partner, either you can consider them as a payer, right? From the context of healthcare, I'm talking about payer. So that information will be sent to the payers, and whatever the information we were sending will be stored in their internal system processes and all that. At the same time, whatever the documents they were preparing, whatever the transactions they were about to do, all this information will be stored in this training partner. So this is how generally in EDI, which is called electronic data interchanges and all, everything is what usually works. So when we are working on the healthcare sector or wherever it is needed. So this is all about EDI part. So if you have any questions regarding this, and if you'd like to know more about this EDIs, EDI transactions, right? Knowing about the procedure of 835, etc., etc., 837, etc., etc. So please reach out to the contact details, which will be posted in the below to this video. Thank you.